Working with garage door issues is rarely good. Your car or truck might be trapped inside your garage, or maybe you cannot enter into your garage for the reason that door will not open. When you have a damaged garage door opener, or if you have an issue with your electronic settings, you might struggle to fix these complaints by yourself. That's why my company are often more than willing to turn out to your location, figure out what the difficulties are, and fix your garage door within 24 hours we emerge. If you would like to understand more about our business, you can travel to our website online. Simply check out the Thomas Garage Door Maintenance Castro Valley CA website to find my contact details.